So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about that problem number 977. So this is the square of a sorted array. Okay. So in this given problem, that you have given an integer array which is a nums. Okay. So you have to be given an array which having names m nums. Okay. And this nums array is already sorted in non-decreasing order, means of that it is in ascending order. Okay, so return an array of the square of each numbers sorted in non-decreasing order, means of that you have to be simply return in that an ascending order of their nums array element square. Okay, so I hope you have to be understood that problem statement. Now move on to that example. Like, this is the input which is having a uh, nums is present into that a non-decreasing order, means of that ascending order, because of that -4 is less than -1 and -1 is less than 0 and 0 is less than 3 and 3 is less than 10. Okay, so for this problem, that our output is that 0, 1, 9, 16 and 100. Why? Because of that the square of this 0 is 0. Okay, and the square of the -1 is 1. Why? Because of that every negative square is also be the part of positive. Okay, and the next is that 3. So 3 is that 9. Okay, and 4 is that 16 and 10 square is that 100. So this is our final answer, which is arranged into that ascending order. Okay, the problem is very very easy. Okay, so let us discuss about that, what was with the approach. So here's the problem. You need to be that simply make integer array some integer array. Okay, which is what will you do, which will do to store that store every square number. Okay, which is having a length n. Having of length n means of that their size of this array. Okay, what would be the size of this nums? So according to this nums, so -4, -1, 0, 3 and 10. Okay, so this is the array of element is 5, so their size is that 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so what we'll do, we will simply run a for loop. Run a for loop and traverse each and every element and check that. And each and every time we have to be square of this nums element. And just like is that, this is that nums of I, which have to be that getting that ith position element, multiply by the same number, multiply by the same number. So their answer would be that their resultant would be stored into this array. Okay, and at the end of this whole of the scenario, we have to be sort this nums. Okay, because why? I'm just explaining you. Because in each of these elements, suppose of that -4, the square of this -4 is, I'm just explaining, the square of this -4 is 16. So 16 is stored into that first position. Okay, and then next element is -1. So the -1 of the square is 1, which is stored in second position, and so on. So this array is not in that sorted form. So we have to be simply sorted and return of this final array. I hope you have to be understood very well. uh, the same logic will be applied here. I hope you have to be understand that what would be the approach. Okay, so now we have to move on that coding of this C++. So this is the solution of the C++. We have to be declared an answer vector, okay, which is stored that each and every element of this resultant square. Okay, and now we have to be simply sort this answer vector, and then after that simply return of this answer, which is our that final answer. Now we have to be simply compile on it. Yes, it is running and it is working fine. Okay, we have to be simply check that. Now move on to that solution for the Java people. So for the Java people, you can simply check that nothing will be changed, only that a syntax change. So this is an declare that answer array which is having a length n. Okay, and traverse each and every element. Okay, store this resultant of the square into that answer variable. After that, before returning that answer, we have to be simply sort this array and return it. Okay, this solution is also working fine for the Java people. You can check that. Okay, I hope you have to be learn about it. If it is helpful, so please like my video, please subscribe my channel, please share my video to know everyone that what how we can solve this problem. Okay, thank you for this watching my video.